If you need to update the phone number associated with your Etsy account, follow these simple steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Etsy website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account you want to update. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to proceed. Step 3. Navigate to Personal Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Personal Information section. Click on it to view your current details, including your phone number. Step 4. Edit your phone number. Find the field that displays your phone number. Click on the Edit button next to it and enter your new phone number in the provided space. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, make sure to click the Save button at the bottom of the page. This will update your information and ensure your account is up to date. By following these steps, you can easily change the phone number linked to your Etsy account. Keeping your contact information current is important for account security and communication.